There are over 200 individual animals here that need to be checked every morning by our staff. And then after that, they go about their normal routine of feeding, cleaning, training, enrichment.
For the nutrition and feeding of the animals here at the zoo, we do a lot of amazing projects. For instance, we work with the NRC and they're developing some growing products for lettuce. And we now are working with them to bring lettuce here to the zoo. We also work with the University of Saskatchewan and they do a lot of research on chickens. And instead of being disposed of or just ground up into pulp, we actually take those chickens and use them for our animal feed. We also work with local producers to produce specialized feeds for us. So utilizing those feeds and utilizing those things, we're able to give our animals the best nutrition possible.
Our commissary staff is dedicated to the nutrition for all of the species. We do work with the veterinarians, the nutritionist, to ensure that we're having a balanced, well-rounded diet for all of our creatures here. And there's a number of different needs, a number of different species that have different requirements, making sure that they have the right supplements and additives to their food prep, because we have the meat, we have produce, we have some dry food that is used.
Now, enrichment is a process that we use to get animals to be able to showcase natural behaviors, to be able to be like they would be in the wild when they're not, when they're in our habitats here. So this might be, we hide food in certain areas so they have to dig for it, or we make food higher up in the trees or in the area so they have to climb for it. Maybe they have to go through a process or rip open bags or rip open things like they would in the wild, simulating those natural environments to be able to produce mind-stimulating environments for the animals. When we have animals cooperating with us and coordinating with us, it makes our veterinary procedures a lot easier. It also allows us to keep their health and welfare at the foremost.
Our approach is a cooperative care approach. We want the animals to be able to choose to be a part of their care. So sometimes you'll see that the animals choose not to come up and participate, and sometimes they come up and they're ready to do the fun stuff with the keepers. Every interaction is a chance to build trust or break trust.
We here at the Saskatoon Zoo are incredibly lucky to have such an amazing team. Together, the group of our animal care specialists really give our animals the absolute optimum care, and they do everything they can, and I'm just so proud to be able to work with them every day.
I appreciate the opportunity to be able to recognize the staff and thank them for their hard work, their dedication, their commitment to bettering the lives of the animals out here. From cleaning, training, all of the observations, there's a lot of aspects, a lot of dedication. We ask a lot of the staff. They make things happen. They believe in the enrichment, in the training, and how these things better the animals' lives. And without that support from our staff and, again, dedication, we wouldn't be able to provide the level of care that we're providing.